welcome to Hey Bestie Bakery. How can I help you? Yeah. Can we get, like, one of those, like, Italian, like, bread things? The curved ones? What are they called? Like, croissants or something? Croissants? Yes, how many would you like? Um, let's get 2 croissants. And can we eat them here, please? Absolutely. Sam, can you get our guests some plates?
Here you go. I'll get your stuff. Sorry about that. Sorry about that again. Here you go. Okay, here's your here's your croissants. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi.
Hey, are you our new employee?
Yeah. It's my first day.
Oh, okay. So just come with our baker. They'll teach you what to
Okay.
do.
Hi. I'm Butterscotch. I'm Stormy. Yeah, what do I do? Oh, yeah, this oven, you, like, put stuff in it. Oh, there's cheese in here. That's our, new cheesecake that we're, making.
I don't think you bake cheesecake.
Yeah, here, son, take that. Thank you. Yeah, you just, like, make stuff, put it in there. Oh, wow, that really helps. Thank you. This should be a really easy job. I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think you can start it. I mean, you can, like, sit there and watch, I guess, for today. But, like, just look busy when, like, Bestie walks in. Yeah? Okay. Okay, good luck today. Hi.
Hi. Can we help you?
Yeah, we're out here for breakfast. Oh my good God, can I go take my break?
Fine, Sam.
Yay. Oh my God, guys, I brought my hex bug to the bakery. You guys see it?
Oh, not this again.
Ah, stop it! I don't like the hex bug. Come on, Dad, he got the hex. Oh God, what is this? It's my hex bug. Don't you think it's so cool? Oh no, my hex bug!
What the hell is going on in here?
I'm so sorry. I can't take my kids any.